Hello and welcome to From Zero to Crypto Hero, where I'm going to show you how you can start from nothing and grind up to $10,000 just by profiting off opportunities we have everywhere across the blockchain. Now, to be able to follow this course and do the same thing as I do, if you feel like that's what you want to do, you'll need a couple of things. A phone, a MetaMask account, or a laptop, and probably a cup of coffee and some time. Now with that, you'll be able to follow me, and if you feel like the opportunities I'm showing you are good, you'll be able to do them as well, and if you don't like them, then you can also just refrain and just follow on the next ones. So with that said, let's begin. Now the first thing that we'll need is some money to cover gas fees. So whatever we do on the blockchain, it's going to cost us something. And to be able to pay that something, we're going to need to find some money, which is going to be quite complicated. But I have a couple of solutions here that I'm going to be showing you. The first one is going to be the SwissBorg Referrals. Obviously, the scratchy tickets, most of us will probably know them. We've already shared our link and scratched a few. So I'm going to be scratching just a couple here and sending that HSB to Ethereum and that Ethereum to my MetaMask account just to get a few dollars started. And then I'll show you some other opportunities. So here we go with the video about the scratch tickets. Alright, Marta, let's try to get... Okay, $2, fine. A little bit here. Alright. $2 again. Okay. We'll say all natural, no filtering. Now the third one, $10. Here we go. Okay, so with those $14, what I'll be able to do is simply to transfer them to Ethereum and then send them to my MetaMask address. Now do be careful with MetaMask because you can always be scammed and you can always have problems if you don't act well with it. So do be careful with all of the information from it. So here we go. And we've got our 14 first dollars that are on MetaMask, or should be. Now another easy way to get some crypto is with Revolut. And Revolut actually has course that you can earn some DOT with, or other cryptocurrencies depending on the current offer. And that's quite similar on other websites as well. You can always get a starting amount in crypto. Now Revolut, it's a little bit different, but what we'll be doing is getting the crypto, transferring it to Euro, and then sending it straight to the SwissBorg app, and then sending it to MetaMask. That's going to be the easiest way in and out to be able to have money on the blockchain without paying that much in fee, especially for smaller amounts like this. So here's Revolut. Here we go. So the 4 courses are completed. I've received my money and now I'll be sending this in Euro and then into Ethereum, but I won't do it straight away. First, I'll try to get a bit more in it before sending it out. But as you can see, there is some easy way to get small amounts of money, and now we're going to be roughly on $20 with about 10 minutes. And if you need to learn everything about Polkadot, maybe you'll need 50 minutes, but it's quite an easy way to get started. Now we're going to be doing a third thing today, which is going to be the Coinbase and Earn. And on Coinbase, you can also learn about crypto and then get some for free. Here we go. Learning rewards, $13. What is the graph? What are indexes? What are curators? How to choose an index? Here we go. So we can see that right now I've got nothing, but I'll be doing all of this and telling you how long it takes so that you can do a value for money comparison. And just like that, if you know the answer, you read it and then boom. I just earned $4 in about 5 minutes. Reading the articles and just having a look, and with my prior knowledge as well. Connect both of these and you can get a few dollars really easily. I don't know how I get them. I'll show you guys later. And yeah, here we go. So I'll go through all of these. And here we have it. So I've done all of the quizzes. It didn't take that much time. You can learn about all of it quite quickly, or you can find also the information that you need on the internet. And then here we go. We have, I think I have about $10 from 12 francs from Coinbase. Yeah, that's roughly $12.5. It's about 1.1. from Coinbase for just having clicked on a couple of answers, as you've seen. Alright, I'm back to show you how it works now that I've got the money from the quiz. What I'll be doing is, first of all, I've converted back my Coinbase to dollars so that it's easier for you to keep track depending on which currency you're in. And then I'll be switching all of my graph and the other tokens that I've won into Ethereum. So I'm buying Ethereum, trading all that I have for it, and then I'll be sending it out to my MetaMask account. So there are obviously fees everywhere, but they aren't too consequent when we're dealing with amounts like this. In percentages, sure, but we don't really have a choice anyway. You won't find any place that's going to give you some money without taking any fees. So here we go. Here we go. I'm sure there's an easier way of doing this, but I'm not the most proficient Coinbase user. So here we go. Here we have it. Now I should have roughly $13 or a bit less in Ethereum. If I refresh my page, if I didn't do it wrong, I did not do it wrong. Here we go. So allocation 100% Ethereum, and we're going to be sending it out to the MetaMask account who should have received the SwissBorg tokens. Let's hope so. Here we go, perfect. So I'm copying the account, send, receive, send. Let's see if I can do it, hopefully. I'm not sure. Send all to, ETH address, yep. All right, hoping for the best. Network Ethereum and send now. Oh, and this is why you need your phone. All right, amazing. Now we can check on the blockchain just to be certain that it's coming to our account. Well, not right now, but we will in a couple of minutes. And there we have it. We'll have $20 from nothing in a few minutes just by clicking on a couple of quizzes. I'm guessing we'll have around $25 from just this simple gathering of quiz and learning. So the profits from this is, first, you're learning about crypto. Second, you're getting free money for learning about crypto. And then you can use that free money to pay gas fees to have other opportunities. And we'll go over those next week.